Welcome to another Small Town America dashcam adventure. Today, we're traveling along two of Maryland's most beautiful scenic byways, Alternate U.S. Route 40, the historic National Road Scenic Byway, and Maryland Route 34, the Antietam Campaign Scenic Byway, as we make our way to the charming town of Boonsboro, Maryland. Our journey begins in Frederick County, climbing the ridges of South Mountain through the Turner and Fox Gap's historic district. These mountain passes played a pivotal role in the Battle of South Mountain during the Civil War in September 1862, marking the first major engagement fought on Maryland soil. As we cross Turner's Gap and enter Washington County, keep an eye out for the Old South Mountain Inn, a historic landmark dating back to the 1700s that served travelers on the old National Road. Descending into the scenic Antietam Valley, we enter Boonsboro, a town founded in 1792 by George and William Boone, cousins of the legendary frontiersman Daniel Boone. Boonsboro retains that classic small-town charm, with quaint homes, historic churches, and views of the Blue Ridge foothills. We'll wind our way down Orchard Drive and St. Paul Street, passing through peaceful neighborhoods before ending our journey on Maryland Route 34, near the entrance to Crystal Grottoes Caverns, Maryland's only show cave, a hidden geological gem just outside of town. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this peaceful drive through history, mountain scenery, and the heart of small-town Maryland on Dashcam Travels. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the ride, it would really be appreciated if you would subscribe, like, share, or leave a comment. Smash that bell if you enjoy this type of content and want to be notified of new drives when they're posted. But most importantly, enjoy the ride. Just a few miles down Route 67 is historic Harper's Ferry, West Virginia. If you're interested in a scenic and informative drive through the Mountain States Harper's Ferry and Bolivar, click the link in the upper right-hand corner. My apologies to the citizens of Boonsboro. I honestly didn't see the stop sign and inadvertently ran it. You'd think I'd learn. Almost ran that stop sign too. Since we're already heading towards Sharpsburg, why don't you continue the journey by clicking the link in the upper right corner to tour Sharpsburg and the Antietam National Battlefield.